You guys, I'm literally so excited. Y'all are about to be as shook as I am. Our Rebel Raven Duochrome in the color Gilded. You guys, if you're doing like a little natural moment, like what I got going on right now, excuse this wild hair, but y'all, look at that color. It's so good. And watch how easy peasy. You literally just go right. I just do my eyeshadow and then I go right on my lid with it. Like literally, that's it. The color is so pretty. It's this gorgeous gold shimmer. Oh, it's just beautiful. And I go like right over there on the side, like so, to give my like lid this little pop moment. Girl, you can do a little another dunk if you want. You can be one swap and done if you want. Or you can go in and really make it so bold. It really is the most beautiful color ever. And you can even do your little inner corners with it. Let me get this side a little doubled up. Ooh, girl, you do not have to double it up unless you want to, but I love this. And then get in that corner. Get in this corner over here. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, got a little carried away with that, but y'all, the camera don't do it justice because it really is just so damn beautiful. I'm obsessed with this. And you saw how easy it was? Girl, please. And then you can use a little brush if you want, well, if you can find one, and just kind of blend it a little in on the top like so, and blend it over here a little bit. And if you don't want to, you don't have to because it's so damn easy. Girl, you better get this. And the price point, under 20 bucks, is a great deal. Because I use the best pigments. Ooh, my lash stuck together there.